Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be looking at the Harbor Freight website as far as new tools that they have. So I'm not really sure how often Harbor Freight updates this, or as far as like when they remove an item from the new tools section. I don't know if it's a month, I don't know if it's 3 months. Who knows, some of these items could have been in Harbor Freight for a while now. But we're going to go over the new tools section. And I'm not going to hit on everything, just some things that I would be interested in, or just something I want to talk about, things like that. So we're not going to go over everything because there is quite a bit. So first up, I see this Braun 8000 lumen adjustable shop light. I have 3-wing shop lights like this as well. It's not this brand, but I've had them for roughly a year and a half, and one of the wings just went out on me, so I actually ordered a couple new ones that are 5-wing ones, and they're supposed to be 16,000 lumens, so we're going to be doing a video on those. So if you're interested, stay tuned for that video. But they do have that for $30. I picked up 2 of the 5-wing ones at 16,000 lumens each for $42, so this one being $30. Not the best, but there's a lot of different options out there. Hercules just released their high output heat gun for $60. I don't know. Let me know your guys' thoughts on that. Daytona 3-ton aluminum jack stands. I don't use aluminum jack stands, but you know, if you travel a lot and you need jack stands, that might be a option. Now, obviously, this is not the version that got recalled, and they did release new jack stands now as well. So I'm sure those will be on here soon if they're not already. Rivet Setter, they have a couple different ones, heavy duty, a 13-inch and a 10-inch. A Braun 2000 lumen LED work light for $24. That seems like a good price. Laser level for $50. Couple different ones. So 4 new laser levels. A Luminar Works 1000 lumen LED work light. So I had the Luminar Work underhood work light. It was okay for the price. I definitely upgraded. Then Bauer released their laser level tripod for $30. This is actually, if you're looking for a camera tripod or anything tripod, it's got the universal top, 1/4 inch by 20 threads. So I mean, that works with any camera mount as well. So this could be very useful. I have a few tripods, but if I'm ever in the market for another one, this is definitely a good option because it's $30. There's not many out there at this price range that are really worth it, but this one seems to be made pretty well. Headlamp rechargeable for $23. Quinn has an 8-inch pistol grip long nose pliers. I don't really go for lights like these, even, you know, Milwaukee, DeWalt, even the name brand stuff that I'm used to using. I don't like these lights that come with the kits. They're just generic. I've never really used anything like that because I don't care to. Icon has released a universal socket adapter set, so you get 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch for $50. That seems like a horrible deal. They are pinless, it looks like, or at least there's no access to the pin from the outside, but that's still $50 for Icon universal adapter set. No thanks. Icon metric stubby flex head wrenches, ratcheting, 7-piece and a 10-piece for $140 for the metric and $100 for the SAE. A new digital caliper for $50 from Quinn. It's getting up there in the more professional level pricing for a digital caliper. You have a Braun 500 lumen rechargeable shop work light for $40. That's not terrible. I'd have to get my hands on it to see the quality of it, but as far as Braun lights, they actually seem to make some pretty good quality stuff for the pricing. A lot of grinding wheels. Here we have some Quinn self-adjusting pliers. I'll have to get my hands on these to see the quality is like on these, but the handle design seems pretty generic, but who knows, they could be pretty handy. Doyle has some wire strippers, a 1,300-pound capacity steel sawhorse for $50. That's not a bad deal. The Icon flush cuts, you know, sticking with their design of, you know, trying to copy Snap-on to become more appealing instead of doing their own thing. Nothing against Icon, they make some pretty good stuff for a majority of the stuff, but once again, a lot of their stuff is overpriced, just my thoughts. Icon adapter reducer set for $28. Some magnetic hooks for $5.50 in all different colors for all your tool carts. Daytona 3-ton low profile Super Duty jack, $230. That's probably one of their most expensive ones that they have there at Harbor Freight. So they have it in metallic orange and metallic red. Hercules with the reciprocating saw for 110. These are great if you got a kid. My son loves his. I don't think we got it from Harbor Freight, but he's got one. He loves that thing. Icon, non-impact. This is the chrome version for $17. The Quantum 900 lumen rechargeable headlamp here for $35. Here they have the Icon. See, that's how I know some of this stuff is not newer. This Icon gold ratchet has been out for a while now, a few months, so I'm not sure how often they update this. The Grant's compact sitting creeper actually seems like a pretty good deal, $60. 52 ratings at 4.5 stars. Then they have their shop fan, 20-inch shop fan for $50. That's not a bad deal. Icon pick set, that's been out there for a little bit. They have their Merlin color-coded automotive coupling for your pneumatic air tools. The Braun 5000 lumen linkable work light for $45. A Bauer 18-inch rolling tool bag for $90. It's a little expensive. See, now I know for a fact these are not new items. Do they upgrade them? What do they do? I know some of these items are not new, that's for sure. Maybe the further you go down, the older the items get. I'm not sure, because the Yukon boxes have been out for a while now. $300, it's not bad. I still don't think the Yukon stuff is selling pretty well. A lot of people are happy with it. I don't think they're quite as good as the US General stuff, but I do like how this is more of a cabinet workbench than just a toolbox. So if you're looking for something like that, that could be useful. Then they have the Hercules cordless ratchets now, 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/4 inch and 3/8 in long. Oscillating multi-tool for Hercules. The Yukon 46-inch 9-drawer. We'll do one more, and then we're really getting into items that have been around for quite a while. So next time I do these, I'll make sure to just stick to like the first 3 pages, because it definitely seems like they don't update this all that often. So here they have the black trim kit for the 5-drawer service carts. I've heard a lot of good things about the Hercules low mini Shop Vac. It's a little expensive. That's roughly what I paid for my Rigid, which is a very, very good vacuum. Blades. Here's the Hercules lithium ion cordless fan for $40. I know a lot of people were, not really interested in it at first, but then a few people bought it, and a lot of good things have been said about it. So it has 4.5 stars at 26 reviews. And that's it as far as we're going to go today, because a lot of these items, like I've said, have been out for 3 to 6 months, if not more. So really not, some of these that we've went over in the last couple minutes are not really all that new. But that's it as far as the Harbor Freight's new tools tool list. And I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys saw anything on there that I forgot to mention or didn't mention that you guys think is a good deal, share it down in the comments with the other viewers. And if there's anything on there that maybe you've had a bad experience with it, please share that as well. And stay tuned for more videos. If you guys have any video content ideas, feel free, drop it down in the comments. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section of your guys' thoughts on this list or this style of video. And if you guys haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'll see you guys next time.